I came in like a wrecking ball. Oh my goodness. What's up, peeps? My name is Zina, and I'm aging ethically. Now, I'm in a great mood today because I have met a beautiful man, and that is all I'm going to say about that right now. Anyhow, we are going to unbox a few items from Jeffree Star's Jawbreaker collection. Ooh. Now, without further ado, I'm just gonna tear right into these boxes. This is the first one. It is a liquid lipstick and also a Supreme Frost highlighter. All right, now I'm trying to, of course, protect my address, so I'm showing you the back side of the box. But I am carving in here. Oh, this is very exciting. Oh my gosh. If you're just joining the YouTube makeup community and you don't know who Jeffree Star is, he has become very successful selling vegan and cruelty-free cosmetics. He is somewhat of a controversial personality and YouTuber, and I purchase his products for the quality, and I try to ignore the drama. So there you have it. Ooh, now his entire summer collection has a neon green theme, which I think is just awesome. I'm gonna take out the, oh, nope, that's the lipstick. I can feel it's kind of heavy here. All right, that's my little invoice. And this is the Supreme Frost highlighter. Let's see if there's anything else in here. He usually puts a card for the collection, which he has. There you go. Ooh, wow. So the first item I'm going to show you is the Supreme Frost. Now, I have never purchased any of Jeffree Star's Supreme Frost, and I've always wanted one, and I finally decided to take the plunge and purchase one. I like the packaging. Here we go. Diamond Wet. Shine bright like a lighthouse. Extreme payoff. Vegan and cruelty-free. Awesome. Okay, guys, there we go. Oh, wow. Yeah, she's pretty shiny. Oh, that's gonna be lovely. Oh, nice. And then it has like Jeffree Star Cosmetics on the inside. Oh, I love it. Signature baby pink, little pink chrome on the outside and clear on top. I love it. Next is the Velour Liquid Lip, which I had to purchase in the signature look for this season and for this season's collection, and it is No Offense, and this should be a really bright green shade, which I'm not even sure what I'm going to do with, but I just had to have it. Oh. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know how much I love green makeup, and this shade is so cool. Ew, I'm so excited for this. Let me see if it has a scent to it. No scent. Literally 0 scent. Okay, sometimes his lipsticks have like a little scent to them, but this one does not. Now we are going to go into the palette. Now I bought the large Jawbreaker palette, and ooh, let's talk about prices really quickly. The Velour Liquid Lipstick was $18, and the Supreme Frost is actually $32, which is a lot for a highlighter. So I'm hoping there's a really nice payoff. Now for the big reveal. Okay, very exciting. Oh my goodness, guys. All right, guys. All right, again, we have the bright green, neon green packaging. And here is the palette. Inside we have another postcard. You may be wondering why I have 2 boxes, and there is a very good explanation for that. When Jeffree Star first started selling his palettes, they would sell out immediately, like within like 5 minutes. And now he's expanded his production and he mass produces these palettes. They still sell out, but they don't sell out immediately. So I'm kind of in the habit with his palettes. Now this is the 3rd one I've purchased from him, that when on launch day, I will log on to his site. I'm ready to go with a form of payment. I will put the palette, as soon as it pops up on the screen, into my cart and check out right away. Then I'll go back in, continue shopping, and then check out once again. So on launch day, I usually have 2 packages if I'm buying more than just a palette. Here you see the packaging for the Jawbreaker palette. You see it says Jawbreaker here. That's really cool. So the sticker packaging is specific to this collection. Ooh, I don't want to ruin the sticker. Oh my gosh, there it is. Okay guys, oh my gosh. All right, and we have some pink bubble wrap. Nice. Oh, I can already tell it's very kind of weighty, so it feels kind of heavy. This palette is vegan and cruelty-free, of course. It is $58, which is kind of pricey, but it's a larger palette and it has a shade range of bright colors, which made it absolutely irresistible to me. I had to have these shades because I can't wait to open this, because you can't find these shades at like Ulta. You might be able to find it at Sephora, a palette with a shade range like this, but you really can't find them. You certainly can't find this in the drugstore. So I decided to take the plunge because there is a large quantity of shades in here. So here we go. Oh my gosh. So it's magnetized. Eek. Wow. Oh, you guys. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of color. Wow. Oh my goodness. So we have 24 pans for $58, which isn't too bad. But look at these shades. Now this is not in every day. Now the palette folds backwards. There's a nice large mirror here. But honestly, guys, you cannot find a palette containing a color scheme like this anywhere other than Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching these. Now, most of the shade names have like a candy theme, obviously. This is the Jawbreaker palette. But I'm not going to say some of these out loud because I don't want to get demonetized if I ever do become monetized, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. I'm gonna start from left to right and I'm just gonna go down this way and we're gonna quickly do some swatches for you guys. That is all 24 shades swatched. Now, some of these are shimmers, most of them are mattes. The shimmers are crazy pigmented, and some of these mattes are as well. Some of the mattes are very sheer, as you can see, like some of them up here, like this one here, and then this one toward the bottom of the palette is here too. But the pigmentation on this palette is real. My goodness, guys. I am not on Jeffree Star's PR, so I purchased this myself. I'm going to do a look with this palette right now, and I'm going to give you my honest and unbiased opinion of this palette, this velour liquid lipstick, and of course the Supreme Frost. Something worth mentioning, I just washed off the swatches from my fingers and from my arm, and as you can see, there is no staining, there's no residue. As some of you know, especially with pressed pigments, sometimes with these bright shades, you might have some staining, but as you can see, My skin is not stained by any of these shades. I'm very pleased with that, and I'm ready to proceed with my look. Since we are going to be using some bright colors, I'm gonna put down a little bit of a primer, I guess. So I'm using Jeffree Star C0. This is white. So what I want to achieve here is just get the maximum payoff from this palette. And I already know that the palette is nicely pigmented from the swatch, but just a little extra reassurance that I'm going to get some payoff. I'm going to put this concealer down first. Some of you may or may not know that Jeffree Star's Velour liquid lipsticks are eye safe, so you can actually use them in your waterline and as an eyeliner. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to put this into my waterline, and hopefully I won't start tearing up. But a quick swatch. Ooh, this is a really fun green. It's like a bright sort of neon chartreuse, and it is absolutely lovely. It's so cool. You guys, I am so happy with this look. Put on these lashes that I was about to throw away because I've worn them so many times, but I just coated the tips with this green velour liquid lipstick that I put in my waterline as well. This bright chartreuse neon green. You guys, I love this look so much. I have never seen some of these shades on the market. I wish I could have used everything, and I'm not going to say all the names of the shades because I don't want to bleep them out. There's shades like Jawbreaker, which is a shimmer shade that you can actually use as a highlighter. I mean, this palette's amazing. I find myself at a loss for words because it's colorful, you can have fun. Okay, so maybe this isn't wearable to the office, but I might go out wearing this. I feel so cute right now, and I just love the shade range. You guys, this is why I love Jeffree Star, because he's not afraid to put some really unique shades in here. And I love this palette. I'm going to cherish it, and I'm going to use it for quite a long time. So Jawbreaker palette is perfection. I love her so much. Now, the one item that I haven't used yet and I'm so excited to dip into is this Supreme Frost in Diamond Wet. Now you could just see how glistening she is. Go ahead and swatch right here. Ooh. Now it looks like it would be super creamy, and it kind of, oh my gosh. Look at that. This is crazy. Oh, wow. Now, oh my goodness. Oh, here we go. Oh. I have no words. I wish my camera could pick up how gorgeous this is. Glittery perfection that I'm looking at with my naked eyes. All right, I need to put this on my cheeks. Ooh, you guys. Ooh. Okay. So this being my first, oh my gosh, this being my first Supreme Frost Jeffree Star highlighter, I'm gonna say right now, and you can see there's little specks of glitter on the outside here. It's a little glittery. This is just breathtaking. I mean, that is just, oh my gosh. Wow, you guys. Yeah, it's, you can see right there, like there's little flecks of glitter. So it's a glittery highlighter, and it makes me feel like a proper fairy princess. This is probably the most spectacular highlighter that I've ever used. And I'm not just kissing Jeffree Star's butt. This is indeed a that's a Supreme Frost. It is exactly what I hoped it would be. I'm going to use this very well-loved velour liquid lipstick in Androgyny. And that's it, guys. This is my look that I've created for you today using Jeffree Star's new Jawbreaker palette, his Supreme Frost in Diamond Wet, and also his velour liquid lipstick that I used today for the first time in my waterline and on the tips of my little lashes. This is the shade, of course, No Offense. So I am so happy, you guys, with these products that I have purchased from Jeffree Star. Once again, he does not disappoint. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really hope you guys can purchase this palette. I know he sells like a miniature palette with just a select few shades in that as well, if you don't want to, you know, commit to buying the full-size palette. If you can buy this palette and you're on the fence whether or not you want to order it, guys, it's highly pigmented. It has some unique shades that I have never seen before. If you have never tried a Supreme Frost, I highly recommend it. It is a glittery highlighter, which is absolutely divine. The velour liquid lipsticks never disappoint me. I've been using them for quite a long time. You can use them on your lips, you can use them on your eyes, you can use them anywhere you like. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I had so much fun playing with this makeup today. I post brand new videos every Monday and Friday. And thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your Friday with me. I really, really do appreciate it. Please make sure to remember to subscribe on your way out. I would love for you guys to join my little family here. You guys have a beautiful evening, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye!